green flags naman together sa couple, ano yung best money decision or investment or money decision na ginawa niyo together na green flag?
Kung tangible, of course kasi taga-probinsya naman kami ni Cam. So, we invested sa land for our retirement. So, since ba't man kami umuwi, same with Prof, we only rent lang talaga ng bahay because of our schooling ng mga kids namin. And add ko na rin siguro yung tracking na expenses actually. Kasi really helps a lot. Alam namin yung Prof yan kasi we share our own minsan mga stories with each other. With our business as well naman, it really helps a lot and really pays to alam mo kung ano yung papasok sa monthly. Kasi we as a business owner, hindi lang sa amin yun. Meron mga taong nakadepende sa amin. So it will really help you na maging accountable sa mga bagay-bagay. Kasi alam mo na may mga umaasang mga tao sa'yo. Ganyan. So yun yung mga money decisions as well. Add ko na rin, we're no longer ordering food online. So we're really trying our best to cook home cooked meals. So yun, nag-iisang food panda namin since the start of the year.
Hindi may isa. Siguro investment. Siguro when it comes to investment, hindi siya investment na investment siya sa health. So like parang we applied for healthcare HMO for ourselves, for the company. Kasi of course, syempre, ang hirap naman magkasakit pag wala kang pera. So, we invest in HMO para at least, kasi hindi natin alam kung kailan ka magkakasakit or kung magkakaroon ka ng accident na hopefully sa atin. So, I think that's one of our best investment so far since 2025, 2024. Yeah, so yun, sa health.
Okay, same question, Reggie. Reg, best decision you made in terms of money or investments na green flag?
Two things. Siguro yung first is, kanina di ba yung sa Finland, na-mention 50-30-20. Ganun ako, pero yung 50 ko iba. So, pag nakuha ko yung pera ko, yung 50 ko is there as savings. Yeah. Actually, mga 50-40 tayo. Yung 40 doon yung needs. So, kung sobra, diretso savings. And then 10% is just for the wants.
Wow! Sana all!
Privileged enough to be able to do that, not everyone is. And the second thing in relation to that is, if meron akong gusto, hindi ko pa puli sa savings, kailangan ko pa ng ibang way to earn money. So, side hustle na pwedeng pagkakitaan, isahan natin ko. Pero savings or say investment, nakahiwalay na talaga siya.
Yun. So, kailangan pala may racket, hindi pwedeng isa lang ang source of income.
Always.
And pwedeng lakihan pa pala. Di ba, recommendation lang yung 50-30-20. Pwedeng lakihan mo pa ang savings. And kanina, ganda sabi na kailangan yung help. Iniisip rin, no? Sumahiit siya kung may emergency fund. O, di ba? Flex, ikaw naman, anong green flag mo, bro?
So far, yung naging good money habits ko for the past year, hindi siya year, is yung digital tracking, which is similar kay Shell. So, I created my own digital tracking, pero pangit siya. So, I tried to use a mobile app. Hindi pa rin siya talagang mat-track no lahat. And ngayon din kasi, we've been using digital money, diba? And it's very difficult to track our digital money compared to cash. So, minsan at the end of the month, mabibigla ka na lang, asan yung pera ko, saan ko siya ginastos, and everything. So I wanted things to be more organized and para alam ko rin saan yung itakat ko na expenses. So I decided to buy this digital tracker online, and so far it's been very effective in cutting our expenses recently. So dati yung electric bill namin umaabot ng 12,000, gano'n. Pinakamababa na yung 8K. But now, nasa 3,500 na lang kami. So it's a very huge rate for us. And even yung tubig namin dati 2.5, ngayon 150 na lang. So gano'n siya. So laking ginhawa din sa amin. And same, we don't dine out na. As in, wala na. We cook for our meals na. Ano yung ulam sa umaga, yun na hanggang gabi. So talagang init-init talaga. So you have to change your lifestyle. Hindi dahil malaki na yung kita mo, diba? Ano na yan, yayamanin na rin yung pagiging lifestyle. So hindi. And now we're preparing more for our future, like yung emergency funds, sa healthcare, and sa tuition ng anak ko kasi mahal din. So yun.
Yun, mahal ng tubig sa inyo, 2.5 dahil. Okay, last